Hey guys, and today I'm going to be washing my fidgets. First, I'll show you the ones I chose. I still have some downstairs that I had been to school. But yeah, first, my 3 puppets. My friend wants to do a trade back on this puppet. And my other friend wants to do a trade back on my other puppet. No, not on my other puppet, on my marble mesh. So yeah. Next up we have all of my DIY stress balls. They're so fun and they stick together just like globbles. And they make such a satisfying sound when you rip them apart. Okay, next up are all my simple dimples. I have another one. Don't forget this one. This one's my best simple dimple. Then my 2 monkey noodles. I have more monkey noodles, they're just downstairs. And then this weird popper thingy. That's kind of dirty. So, yes. Let's go downstairs. Okay, guys. So, okay, I'll find my fidgets. I left my sewing in school, that's why. Oh shoot, I left mine in school, I think. Right here.
Poi c'è 100.000 pani da provare, ma saremo quelli.
Anche di mangi sono.
Su questi qui no, qui c'è tutta la roba tradizionale.
This no, does not stick. Okay guys, so after this video, I've actually got to do my homework. Okay, that's it. I left my other 2 monkey noodles in class. Hehehe. Okay. Fidgets, fidgets. I know my booty facing you. Fidgets. Okay, in we go. Here's a fidget pile. Okay, first let's fill up the water. So let's close up the little pluggy. Come over here, guys. Let's fill it up. Put in some soap. Okay, I'm going to be using this water for every one of them. So that's why I'm not actually going to put in too much. Oh, yeah, so shiny. So don't mind her. Okay, now to do my hands. I'm whacking her. She better stop that. Okay. First, all of my puppets and my tinky noodles. Ooh, shake them around. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, 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 pop. Pop, pop, pop. Pop, pop. Ploppity plop, plop. Okay, I don't know why I enjoy rubbing things all over this, but it makes the water soapy, I believe. Okay, I think I'm done washing. I hope. Now let's get to rinsing. And when I'm done rinsing, then I can put them on the drying towel, being ready to dry. I love my fidgets, which you probably all know. Fidget. I'm just going to empty out some of the water. And stop. Next up, I'll do the hexagon poppet. The hexagon poppet is going to be leaving us quite soon. But a different one will be coming soon as well. So yeah. Poopit, Poopit. You can call me Poopit. Pink hair, pink joy. That's just something I heard my friend. Oh wait, no. This is filling up a lot. Wait, I want to fill it up some more. Fidgets, guys. I know what the monkey noodles. Tell them about the monkey noodles. The monkey noodles nearly went down the drain. Okay, I'm just rinsing this one off. They're so slippery. No. Oh, no, I lost all my water. Water, water, you can call me water. Pink hair, pink time, hiding in your Wi-Fi. Okay, they're the puppets. And these are monkey noodles. Plop. Okay, time to dry. Woo! ASMR with a towel. Luca, Luca, you can call me Luca. Pink hair. I actually tried this one with Rhea, you guys. So yeah. What the hell, cameraman? Anyways, like for part 2.